Please subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss any update.
Imagine watching all your favorite movies in a cinema system you can hold in your hand. Introducing the Cinego. Enjoy your favorite movies and clips on an Ultra HD display from the comfort of not just the living room, but any room in the house. A personal cinema with a virtual 800-inch screen placed 66 feet from your eyes. Built for Ultra HD, 3D, and virtual reality playbacks. It's specially designed to protect your eyes and give you the greatest comfort.
Hi, I'm Johnny Pong. I'm the team head behind the Govies. We worked for the past 10 years to create the lightest, most compact headset ever. Our goal is to bring the IMAX experience to everyone, everywhere.
Have a video chat with your friends, or connect to your favorite streaming like Netflix or YouTube. The Cinego has it all. Simple to navigate and easy to use. It lets you control everything without even looking at the remote. Compatible with any HDMI device. Plug in your devices from PlayStation to Nintendo Switch to be fully immersed in your most beloved games.
If you think that everyone should have access to a personal portable IMAX theater, then support us at Indiegogo today.
You can even connect wirelessly to your drones, whether airborne or aquatic, like the Gladius submersible drone to see directly out of their eyes. It's extremely lightweight and portable, making it easy to bring along with you no matter where you go.
Great news. I'm really happy to hear that.
And its long battery life ensures you won't miss the end of any movies you may be watching.
By supporting us on Indiegogo, you will be at the forefront of the VR revolution. So, back us now!
It's time to experience immersion with the most advanced personal cinema. Cinego.
may sound crazy, but you can do this too. All of it. It's easy. How do we know? Because we've made it easy. At DJI, we created the flying camera as you know it. And there's a good chance that the drone videos you've seen online were shot with one of our cameras. This time, we started small, so you can dream big. We created your first personal drone, but we're still squeezing in big power. It automatically follows you or whatever you want, without a bracelet or tracker, avoids obstacles, and comes packed with a 4K stabilized camera, 27-minute flight time, and a whole lot more. This is the DJI Mavic Pro, and this is the DJI Mavic Pro Unfolded. To make it this small, we had to rip out a ton of cool stuff, right? No, it's got 24 high-performance computing cores, dual satellite connectivity, an all-new transmission system with a 4.3-mile range, 4 vision sensors, and more. Sound complicated? It's not. It's easy. The Mavic knows where it takes off from, where it is in the air, where it's going, and what it's capturing. When you take off, the Mavic uses 2 vision sensors and connects with up to 20 satellites, all so it can remember your location. This means the Mavic knows where home is, so it can return by itself. Precision landing technology means it can land almost exactly where you took off, at the touch of a button. As you fly, satellite systems keep track of you, working in harmony with all 4 vision sensors, telling it what's below and what's in front, whether you are flying beside a cliff, in a forest, or even indoors. Just like you, Mavic sees and thinks. That means it can avoid the things in its path, from trees to walls. Any good flying camera needs stabilization. The Mavic's expertly miniaturized gimbal keeps the entire camera steady. Unlike electronic stabilization, you use every pixel from the sensor, and you don't have the weight of a bulky add-on camera. Shooting an epic tracking shot of a friend is easy. Active track technology means it just takes a few taps. Not just one kind of tracking shot either. It's got spotlight, profile, and trace. Or use tap fly to tap and fly. Terrain follow mode keeps the Mavic at a height you define as the ground rises, so you can focus on your shot, not your height. Everything can be controlled using a gamepad-sized controller you can keep in your pocket. It opens up to clamp around your phone and has been custom engineered to give you more feedback and more accuracy. You will always feel in control. If you don't want to bother with the controller, fly using virtual joysticks right from your phone over Wi-Fi. Whether you fly with the remote controller or just your phone, active track modes are ready to make you shoot like a pro. Want to be on camera, not behind it? It just takes a wave and a gesture. Then there's the new DJI goggle. Strap these on to really feel like you're flying. Combine them with sport mode to get your pulse pumping while you fly at an incredible 40 miles per hour. Once you've got your shots, edit everything together in DJI Go and share or even stream your flight live to Facebook or YouTube. Inspiration can strike from the smallest thing, a sketch, a feeling, an experience. The Mavic has been designed for you to take it anywhere, ready at a moment's notice, whenever inspiration strikes you to create something truly great. DJI Mavic, wherever you go.
Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Micro and ultra light, it comes with its very own device for storage and charging, with an easy one-hand control from its own app. Where did the idea come from? Well, I'll show you. Look at this, what an epic day out. A bona fide selfie time, as they say. Just need to squeeze a teeny bit. No, never mind. A more manageable group. Just 2 guys, actually, that want to take a selfie to remember this wonderful place. Well, I guess they can just describe the view to their friends back home, right? Okay, one more try. This time a good old barbecue outside on a sunny day with lots of friends. Let's try the selfie stick strategy. Still can't fit everybody in. Annoying situations, am I right? We've all been there, buddy. That's how Air Selfie was born. A perfect team gathered together, working in London, Milan, and Shanghai to combine microflying technologies, ultralight HD cameras with in-flight stability systems. Air Selfie can travel in a 20-meter radius and hovers for up to 3 minutes. It's easily controllable from both iOS or Android smartphone apps. It's only 52 grams and it slots into its phone cover and recharges. So what if the guys had an Air Selfie with them? They'd make it hover, find the perfect angle, and leave the controls. Finally, snap an amazing photo with the selfie delay timer mode while it is autonomously flying and keeping its position in the air. Awesome! What about the two explorers? They'd select the classic flying mode from the 3 options available. Control Air Selfie through the app by holding the phone horizontally and take both memorable photos and videos. And what would have happened at the barbecue? Enough with the squeezing. Just select the selfie mode. Use only 2 buttons to find the right distance to shoot and take a great picture.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel and hit the like button.